Ah, that's cute. Yes! Oh my god, it's the taco dog. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Mari, and today we're going to be opening some Littlest pet shop. I believe this is called The Hungry Pets. So I was in the store today, and as usual, I have to go look in the toy section and see if there are any Littlest pet shops. So I saw these on the shelf. I got 4 of them. Let's see. Unfortunately, or fortunately, you can look at it either way. It's kind of I guess kind of a good thing and a bad thing. So as usual, when you go in the toy section, some kid is obviously always open the toys when they're not supposed to. And I saw these on the shelf and they were already open. So of course, I mean, they're already open. I'm gonna look. And I actually kind of like, you can kind of see what they are through the film. Like, it's not really that hidden. And I'm like, well, these are blind bags. And if I kind of see 2 that I know that I like that are cute, I'm gonna get it if it's already opened. So there was a cat and a dog. And I made sure I read the packaging to make sure, well, you probably can't see the dog right now on camera, but I'm opening these in a minute. But this is how it was on the shelf, these 2. So I went ahead and got them. I just read the packaging and made sure that everything was in here that it said on the can. So these are really cute. Actually, I actually had not heard of these before. I know these existed. I'm a huge fan of LPS, but I don't like stock, the latest news with them. I just kind of collect as I find them. So I don't know how new this is. But anyway, I was super excited to find something new. These are really cute. I'm not really a fan of like the little miniature blind bags that are out right now. Actually, I'm not a fan of blind bags, period, but these are really unique. I love the little can design, and I think seeing them like already open like this made me want to get these blind bags. So let's start with these 2 ones that are already pre-opened for me. So this is a cat. I don't know if I need scissors or not. I guess not. See. Oh, is the burger made onto her body? Let's see. Let me get the camera to focus on her. There we go. Ah, that's cute. I can kind of see it through the packaging. I like the little burger body. That's kind of cute. Can I take it off? You can take it off. Oh, that's cute. So I have a regular LPS and then a burger. Oh, I love that. This might be the first blind bag ever that I like. Get back on there. Get back on there. That is so cute. I mean, like I said, like having somebody had pre-opened these kind of ruined the surprise, but at the same time, I'm glad I got to get one that I knew I wanted, so thanks, I guess, to the kid or person who opened these. You're a horrible person, but I got the Burger Kitty because of you, so yeah. All right, next, 10 of them to collect, so now I know which ones they are. Oh, cute. Oh my God, I hope I get the Sushi Cat. Oh my God, that is so cute. Yeah, I already know which ones I want. So I guess what'll happen if I get one of the ones that I don't want, I'll probably give it away to one of you guys in the chat. So make sure you comment below and tell me which one is your favorite one. And, I'll give you whatever one I get if I get one I don't want. So yeah, all right, second one. So cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't handle how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Look at the little sausage body. And it comes off. It's really hard to get it off. That's so cute. Oh my God. This is probably the cutest Dachshund out of all the ones I've ever seen. I'm sorry, Savvy, the most popular Dachshund LPS, but this one has you beat. Look how freaking cute that is. Let me see what accessories they came with. Oh, right, the hat. I should have known that. A little hot dog. Oh my God, how cute is that? It's a little tiny hot dog. That's cute. And a little hat. Oh my God, I love these so much. These are so adorable. I can't, you guys, I can't. I usually don't care for the accessories that come with LPS, but these are just so clever and cute. Oh! All right, gonna move on to the other 2. Now these are gonna be the most fun because with the other 2, I don't know, I don't know what's in these 2, so this is how it's supposed to be. This is the fun of it. So hopefully we don't have a duplicate. It'll be so sad if we have a duplicate. But I'm praying and crossing my fingers it's a unique one, even if it's one I don't want. then at least one of you guys look out and you get a free LPS out of it. So what do we have? Dun 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 dun! Yes! Oh my god, it's the taco dog! Yes! Oh, the taco dog. That's so cute. Let's take off his little accessory like we always do and see what the body looks like. Oop. Cute. Oh. God, these are so well made. I'm like so loving these new LPS. They are just really knocking it out of the park. So cute. Little taco body. All right, let's see what the accessory is. Get that back on there. Did I put it on wrong? Oh, yeah, it's backwards. Adore her. Get on there. All right. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. And I think what I'm gonna do for this video, instead of drawing the actual LPS, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna design my own hungry pet. What do you guys think about that? So I'm gonna come up with my own LPS design and design a food item around them. That might be fun. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Mix it up some. Little lime on his ear. How does this go? Like that, I guess. And a little taco. Oh god, so cute. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy I got a new one that I don't already have. So let's see what's in the final can. Dun 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 dun. Please, oh please, oh please, be the Sushi Cat. Be the Sushi Cat. I can't see. What is it? What is it? I think it's a monkey? Is it the monkey? I forgot which one was the monkey. What is this? Oh, it's the pizza pug. Oh, that's so cute. It's not the Sushi Cat like I was hoping, but this one is still really cute. I am so happy with all the ones that I got. I can't believe how lucky I got, and I got 4 unique ones. This was a good haul, you guys. So happy. So cute. Love it. Oh, so now I'm gonna have to design my own hungry pet. I'll have to decide what I want to do. So I have 2 dogs, 1 cat. So maybe I'll design a cat. I'll have to do some thinking. Maybe I'll design it around my favorite food. Excuse me, one of my favorite foods. Maybe I'll do it around. All these seem to be like fast food, doesn't it? Oh no, that's a donut cat. Maybe I'll do it around some sweets. Let's see, what is this? Oh, pizza delivery. It's a pizza delivery box. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. The white light's kind of blinding it. That's cute. Pizza delivery and a slice of pizza. Of course, of course. Oops. That's so cute. Slice of pizza. And a pizza delivery box. I really want that Sushi Cat. That was on the list, but I don't want to waste the money trying to get it, because the more LPS you get, the harder it's going to be to get a unique one. So I'm probably going to be cheap and just buy the remaining ones from eBay or something, ones that have already been opened. So yeah. God, I must have that Sushi Cat. That is too cute. And the donut cat. Gosh.
4 to 6 more days later.
I found both of these guys on eBay fairly easily. So the last one I need is the ever elusive Sushi Cat. That is the last one that I need. I don't really care for the turtle or the fish. I might get the flamingo, but it's not. There are other LPS that I want more. So for right now, the last one I need is the Sushi Cat. So I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys that I got the other 2 that I wanted. The monkey, which has a very cute little banana suit and that you can remove. And he also comes with a little banana. I put it in his tail, super cute. And then the other cat, the little cat, a little donut. And you can put she has a little donut you can put in her tail. And I think that is so adorable.
1 week later.
Okay, I am so excited, you guys. I have acquired the Sushi Cat, the last and final LPS I needed to complete my collection for the first wave of the Hungry Pets. She is so adorable, and I think the cutest out of all of them. Look at the little shrimp tail. It's so cute. I guess she's a bobcat because you can see her little stubby tail underneath here. Look at that little stubby tail. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. So yeah, we have the Sushi Cat. Let me show you her other accessories really quickly. And then we'll be moving on to the art portion of this video. So here is our little hat piece. I believe that's the fake grass you usually get in sushi, and then some ginger and wasabi. I know people are gonna probably disagree with me. I actually do not like this piece. This looks kind of funny to me. I don't really like it. It looks like a bunch of throw up on her head. So I think when I display her, I'm just gonna go with the little shrimp sushi she has, and that'll be it. But with that said, like I said, we're gonna move on to the art portion of the video now. I'm going to design my own Littlest pet shop, Hungry Pet, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I know that I usually I just draw the pet that I've opened, so usually I would just draw her, for instance. But like I said, I wanted to mix it up a little bit and design my own Hungry Pet. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you some sketches that I had for ideas that I had for Hungry Pets, and I'm going to pick one and I'm going to draw it, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for sticking with me this long. I know this was a long video. All right, let's jump into the art. So obviously, the first thing I had to do to create my own Hungry Pet was come up with the design. I had so much fun thinking of all the animal and food combinations I could do, but I had to narrow it down to 5, and that's what I came up with. The first is a Wiener Dog. This is what we're looking at right now, and it has a long strip of bacon that runs down its back. This is definitely the simplest of the designs I came up with, but it's one of my favorites. And as you can see, I also do the little accessories that may come with the pet as well. The bacon Wiener Dog will have a spatula. Gotta flip that bacon. The second design I came up with was a popcorn gator. This one, I was so pleased with the color combination this design would bring. Red and green are complementary colors, and the yellow of the butter and popcorn really brings it together and makes the colors pop. And come on, how cute is the melted slice of butter on her head? The third design was a birthday cake giraffe. This one was just super fun. For some reason, a giraffe covered in frosting and candles just makes me so happy. I don't think anything else needs to be said about this cutie. The fourth design was a strawberry panda. This one was another simple design, but the cute factor would have carried it pretty far in my opinion. The only problem though with this design is that it's already been done. Remember the strawberry turtle on the pet guide earlier in the video? This idea has already been done, so I feel like this design kinda doesn't count, and I certainly can't choose it for today's video. Moving on to the final design, the one I chose for today's video is a honey bear. I was so excited when I came up with this one. I picked this design because I really felt like it captures the essence of the Hungry Pets. The food fits the animal, the colors pop, and if this were a real toy, it would just be so pleasing to look at. I like to think the honey on the toy would be made from a clear yellow-orange kind of plastic, so it looks like real gooey, shiny, yummy honey. You'll see in a few moments that the final drawing actually looks a little bit different from my concept sketch. I felt like it would look better if the honeycomb and honey just melted down her back rather than wrapping around her body. So here's the final design and sketch now, all ready for inking. For the lines, I used a combination of both black and brown ink lines. It's a subtle little detail, but I feel one that always helps a picture look better. Color lines are just much softer on the eyes than harsh black ink all the time. Once the inking was done, I colored in her body with my Winsor & Newton watercolors, and then got on to the fun part, coloring in the honey. I was really excited to make the honey look as yummy and shiny as possible. I was pretty happy with the result, but as always, an artist is never satisfied, and I wish I could have captured more detail and texture. But what I did to the honey parts once the paint dried brought the drawing all together in the end and gave the honey the shiny appearance I imagined it would have. It's not exactly recommended, but it's all I had on hand. I used clear glitter nail polish to paint over the honey parts to make it look super glossy and pretty. Probably not a good idea to do artwork you want to last a long time, so I'm not recommending you do this to important art. I have no idea what nail polish is going to do to these watercolors over time, but for now, my honey bear will be shiny and fabulous, and we don't care. Okay, I hope you guys were able to see the shine and sparkle. I did my best to try to show it on camera. It came out so pretty, you guys. Alright, but that's about it for this video. When the gloss dried, my honey bear Hungry Pet design was complete. And really, all I want to do now is go draw that bacon dog or the birthday cake giraffe now. Maybe in the next video. What Hungry Pet would you guys design? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys would come up with. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you are new here and enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and clicking that tiny little notification bell so that you are the first to know when I release new videos on this channel. See you next time.